It's the month of December, the 12th month of the year. And we all know what December means. December means merrymaking, fun memories, year-end parties, meeting new friends. And that is why I, Yabidara on MX24, I am bringing you I'm bringing you up close with the events that will be happening this December. And today with me in the studios, like I usually do, I have with me, have you heard of Tangolla? I'm sure you may have or may not have. And so I have one of their representatives in the house, and he goes by the name Mr. Skittle. That's interesting. Why Skittle? Is it like a nickname or like?
It's a showbiz name. I'm an MC.
Oh, you're an MC. Oh, wow. Skittles. All right. So we're just going to go right into it. We want our audience to understand what Tangolla is all about. First of all, tell us about your event company. I hear it's called Tangolla Events and... Yeah, what's the full name?
So Tangolla Events Planners is Cosmopolitan events company that we deal with diasporas and our local Ghanaians too. So we try as much as possible to bring those outside to Ghana to experience our culture, basically, in a fun way. In a fun way.
You mentioned diaspora and the people in here. Who are your target audience?
Everyone.
Everyone?
Everyone.
Hey, why do I not believe you?
Everyone.
Because you mentioned diaspora. So it's like you're targeting the diasporans.
You see, we want to bring those out there back home.
Back home, okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're bringing them, okay.
In as much as possible, we also want to target everyone.
Everyone.
It's open for everyone.
Okay.
That's Tangolla.
Now, not to the main reason why we are here, the Tangolla Festival. Please tell us about the Tangolla Festival, because I'm hearing that it's an African, it's going to give me this African vibe, this cosmopolitan vibe. There's going to be culture, there's going to be music, there's going to be games, food, arts. Please tell us what the entire festival is going to be about.
Okay, so Tangolla Festival is a festival, not a concert. It is a 3-day festival starting from 24th of December all through to 27th.
Wow, you're taking the entire holiday days, because 24th is like Christmas Eve, 25th is Christmas, and 26th is like, hey, okay, continue.
So for 24th, we have the Tangolla house party inside Adenta. If you have your ticket, you have the right to be there too. For 25th, it's just welcoming those outside, the diasporas, to come to Ghana. We welcome them, get them into their rooms, their hotels, a little excursion here and there. And then 26th is the main program that we have. The artists coming through, our DJs, our musicians, our vendors, the whole youth.
Hold on to that thought. I want us to come back to 25th. So the 25th, you said you're welcoming the diasporans. Is it that you're going to go to the airport and welcome them, or there's...
Yes, certainly we'll be there. We want them to know that we love them so much. So we'll certainly...
So there's a setup for that. There's something in motion for that.
I won't say a setup per se, that there is a setup, but we'll certainly be there to make them know that we are here for you this Tangolla. You came because of us. Okay. So we can't just let you come and be at the airport and be stranded. So definitely there'll be some representatives over there to just welcome you whilst you're trooping. Okay.
So I have one question. So does it mean that the people you're going to meet them at the airport, are they the people that have purchased the tickets that you are meeting them, or is like general diasporans?
So like I was saying, for the 27th of December is a tour in Ghana. So some people booked for the whole experience. So for them, they already have their bookings. So we have to go get them, take them to their rightful hotel rooms and make sure they are comfortable. It's not that they are coming to get here trying to get themselves settled. So if you've booked it, we are coming to visit. But if you are coming on your own, like you are moving here because you feel you are coming to Ghana on your own this December, this festive season, you are not part of our list, but you can come for the program too. But those who have booked for the full Tangolla experience will be picked up.
Oh, I see. Now, for every event that is happening this December, it seems like there is an aim behind it. There is a goal behind it.
Exactly.
What is the idea of Tangolla? What is the purpose of the festival?
Our purpose and our goal is simple. Is to promote our Ghanaian culture through arts, music, food, entertainment. That's simple.
See.
It's just to promote the culture through arts and entertainment.
through arts and entertainment. And then you said you were going to throw in a little bit of tourism for those that will be coming.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is actually like one way where we can promote our tourism too in Ghana.
We're going to lots of places.
Wow. What you said the 26th is going to be the main event?
Yeah, 26th is the main event.
Where is it happening?
Crystal Park, 26th December 2022 from 12 p.m. So we are tired.
Till mommy. Okay, like when I was just say till mommy call. So Crystal Park, is it in Accra?
Yeah, East Legon.
East Legon. So Crystal Park, East Legon, Accra, 26th December 2022. That's nice. So tell us, what are the I mean, I know that you have already mentioned certain things, but I want you to go into detail. Some of the activities that will be happening. So if you're telling us that, because you mentioned DJs. Yeah. So who are the DJs that we should be looking out for?
Okay, so 26th December, Crystal Park Tangolla Festival. We have our cultural display. We have artifacts, artworks, Ghanaian artworks being displayed over there. We have our games, both foreign games and local games available. We have our vendors, our foods, local and foreign. And we have setups for family, because it's Christmas, family. Yeah. And then, of course, the major thing, we have our DJs. We have, if I'm right, close to 6 DJs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Back to back to back.
As soon as you get to the place, it's not, I'm waiting for evening to hear the DJ play. There's a DJ on set.
Wow.
Right from the beginning till the last person leaves.
Well, I can see the flyers are behind us.
And then we have our major headliners, Mr. Drew and Joey B. And a special.
You know, I love Joey B. I really like Joey B. So, Charlie, if Joey B is coming there, that means I have to be there.
So we have Mr. Drew, Joey B coming through, and one guest artist we are keeping from people. And our DJs and MCs too. We have back-to-back good MCs who are doing well in Ghana right now when it comes to nightlife and parties. And the best DJs in Ghana too.
Would you be MCing that day?
Yes, please. I'm headlining.
From the way you were saying, I knew that you were going to be MCing that day. I see that tickets out now. So how do they get tickets? What are the mode of getting
tickets? You can go to www.tangollafest.com or use *713*33*16#. Okay. It's 100 CDs for regular, 150 for VIP.
100 CDs for regular, 150. Oh, this one, you have put it down for us.
This one is not.
So we are coming to chill. We are coming to chill. Yeah. Okay, so for tickets, all you have to do is to visit the website Tangolla. What was the website you mentioned?
www.tangollafest.com.
Or you can dial *713*33*16#. Exactly. 100 CDs regular, 150 VIP. But wait, I want to wait. See, I want to be able to create the difference. What is the difference between the regular and the VIP? So if I know if I'm buying VIP tickets, I know that okay, this is the reason why I am buying VIP tickets.
So for regular, you are restricted.
Okay.
So you have a regular stand. Obviously. But VIP, you have backstage passes and cocktail passes too. You have
backstage. That's what backstage passes. Yeah. So I can go behind, take pictures with the.
You have VIP.
Oh, why am I loving this? I am loving this.
You
wow.
get to take pictures with Joey B, the DJs. Anyone you see there, you feel
and I heard you say, I heard, or a little bit told me that there will be a surprise artist.
Yeah, we have a surprise artist.
So you can't tell
Personally, I don't even know who that is.
You don't know who they're.
I'm also looking forward to that surprise artist.
All right, so let's all look forward to that
we are hoping
surprise. Oh, like it will be good, right? Like that mix there, that Ghana Nigeria mix will be really good. Anyway, but before we go, what is your last message to our audience?
So my last message is very simple. As Christmas, we've been through a crazy year.
Tough year.
And even beginning of December has been very, very crazy.
Yes, like
dollar
me.
going up and everything. So let's just come out this 26th December, I mean the day after Christmas, come to Tangolla Festival, Crystal Park. Come with your families. For everyone, sit down, get your food, get to know people, talk to people, enjoy good music, enjoy yourself, go home happy. And forget all the stress of January.
Forget all the stress. I want to go, but before I do that, I saw behind you the trip package. I'm seeing that you get the Tangolla Festival experience, air conditioning, transportation, all entry and tour fees, professional tour guides, hiking to Fort Amsterdam, Cape Coast Castle. For those of you that have never been to any of the castles in Ghana, this is your opportunity.
There's an opportunity.
Kakum National Park. Oh, it was beautiful. My experience there, going on the walkway.
And the price is very cool.
And the price too is actually very...
550 cedis. All of this.
Guys, for all of this, they have to say who for you people. So you need to get your tickets. All you have to do is to visit their website or dial the short code, and then you can get your ticket. Remember, it's December. There are so many events going on, but the best events are the ones recommended by MX24. Don't forget to also log into the link in our bio. You can fill in a form and then answer the questions, and then you stand a chance to win free tickets to TANGOLLA Festival. Isn't that a fair deal? I mean, it's a fair deal, right? So don't forget to keep the fun in this festive season only on MX24. Kiddos, thank you very much.
Thank you
I really appreciate you coming. And then I hope to see you. So 24th to 26th, we have TANGOLLA Festival, right?
Yes.
All right. All the packages are on there. If you go to your social media platforms, you're going to see...
yes, the links are there to purchase your tickets. And if you want more questions and you DM us, we'll certainly respond quickly.
All right. Like they said, if you have any questions, just DM them and then they will respond. Hope to see you there. Bye.